When we talk about laser hair reduction, although it's much better than it was when it began some 20 years ago, there are still pitfalls and there's still challenges. The systems that are available now, they sometimes suffer from two problems. One is the systems are large and they're loud and they create a lot of heat. The Cutera engineering team has done an enviable and commendable job of designing this latest hair removal system because it incorporates many of the features that most physicians and other providers demand when doing laser hair reduction. There's comfort, there's speed, there's ergonomic simplicity, particularly in the interface, which is a touch screen, and the ability to change spot size, pulse duration, fluence, and wavelength without having to do anything other than touch a button is very nice. And again, the quietness, the compactness of the system, and the fact that it operates at almost twice the wall efficiency of some of the competitors is a nice advantage over some systems.